Okay, this might be one of the coolest keyboards I've seen for the price. It's the HITIME M67, and under the keys there's this spiderweb design that actually lights up with the RGB. Not just a glow around the edges, you see the whole web. It's tri-mode, so it's wireless, Bluetooth, or wired straight into the PC or console you're using. It doesn't matter what you're playing on, it just connects. 60% size, so it's compact on the desk, and switches are hot, swappable, Thocky, creamy, and generally satisfying to type on. Yeah, this one is a winner for my son, and I'm so glad that we got it. Check it out. It's a great keyboard, and hello, the light says it all. Quite satisfying indeed.